So hello everyone. In this video, I'll be solving a lead code question which is very famous, named valid anagram. So the given problem statement is we are given two strings S and T. We have to check if second string, which is T, is an anagram of S. So if you all don't know what is an anagram is formed by rearranging the letter of a word to produce another word. So what it will do, like it will use the same letters in a string, and it will create another string which will use the same letters. So to solve this question, we have two approach. So moving on to first approach, which is sorting. So we would sort both the strings in a alphabetical order, and we will check if the letter formed is same. If the if both the strings are same, we will return the output as true, otherwise false. So this is a in this approach, we have a problem that the time complexity would be n log n. So this is not most preferred approach. So moving on to the second approach, we will use unordered map. In this approach, we will count the frequency of the letters in the word repeated. So like we can see in this example, S is equal to anagram and T is equal to anagram. So here in this S, A is repeated three times, N is repeated once, G is one, R is one, M is one. In the same second string, which is T is equal to in this string, N is one, A is three, G is one, R is one, M is one. So both the frequency of the letters are same. So in this approach, the time complexity would be order of n, and the space complexity would be order of 1 since only lowercase letters are around. So let's move on to the code using this second approach. To solve this question, we would first check if S first string length is equal to or not. If both are different, then we would return as false. So now we would create two unordered map for storing the character and the frequency, named as frequency 1 and character int and uh, frequency 2. So now we would use a for loop from int I is equal to 0 to I less than s dot length. As we have already compared the length before this, so we can use s dot length or t dot length. We will iterate in this like this. Would increment it by one each and every time if we got the number. Uh, so at last we will return if the uh, frequency first is equal to frequency second. If is it true, then it is a valid anagram. Otherwise, it's wrong. So we'll run this code. Okay, so we have successfully solved this problem, and we have zero runtime MS. As I said earlier, that time complexity would be very low as order of one. We would submit the solution. Okay.